today's event. Gender norms. A man can do this. Fight had been passed around from
Thank you, Celeste. Thank you. That side. But other than technology facilitated people who are killing young women and killing older women and killing anyone are people who are known to us, our husbands, our friends, our boyfriends, people who are close to us. So let's take time, first of all, to call out bad behavior. Number two, to advocate for the rights of not only women, but also the boy child, because they're also going through a number of issues.
My call is let us integrate psychosocial and mental health interventions in our curriculum, in our interventions, and across. Bringing men is critical, because if a man is traumatized, he will continue the cycle. If he processes it, then it appears and we can be able to break this.
We are asking everyone, the fight for femicide and GBV starts with all of us. It starts with you and me. We are also reaching out to the media to work with us in terms of reporting.